Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you saw the title of this video, you already know we're rearranging my room. I do this like once a year or so, and now is the kind of time I'm kind of in that funky kind of mood. So it's like, let's rearrange the room a little bit. Let's try something out a little different this year, but well, the end of this year, whatever. About to be 2024, but let's just change it up a little bit. Let's see how it goes. I really want to move my bed from where it's at the black wall. This was kind of like the focal point. I kind of move it to the window, and then we're going to see what we can do in that area, because yeah, I don't know what we're doing. We're just gonna go with the flow. You know, that's who I am. But yeah, let's get into it.
On my mirror, start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak, trying to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you always on my mind. You come around like this, baby, when I see you, when I see you, baby, when I never look in my walk by, so I gotta be right on time. When I see you, I scribble X and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. Myself in the zone, I get nervous when you're gone. I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We were trying to start for a sign. What's the reason why? You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby, I know. Baby, when something now is taking over me. Yeah. I'm not gonna run now, just gonna stand here and sleep. Yeah. Hey, baby, I see you. So sexy, boy, so sexy, boy. I don't know, but I can have it around you.
So this is kind of what we're working with right now. You see, I got, yeah. I don't know what I was thinking. I really don't. My room is really small. So I'm kind of stuck, and we're gonna just have to figure out what we're gonna do next, because I really just want to put everything back at this point. It's just too much. I'm tired already. Okay, so originally my plan was to put the dresser on this side, but I think I'm gonna put it back where it already was, because I don't like the layout of any of this. Like, I don't know what I had envisioned, but it ain't this, and it looks so crammed So I don't know. I really have no idea what I'm doing now. I'm just winging it at this point. It is what it is. I'm gonna fix it, put that thing back over there, and then we're gonna call it a night. So this is kind of what I got done. It's kind of cramped, but I don't know. I may get used to it. I may end up putting the desk back over there. I don't know. I don't really like it. I may just put the bed back over against that wall. But this is the final result.